Hello, kindergarten. This week we read the story, The Orange Butterfly, a story in pictures. And it was about an orange butterfly. We read the story about the orange butterfly. So today you're going to work on symmetry in math and counting to 5. Okay? What is symmetry? Symmetry is when something is the same or equal on both sides. So, my face is symmetrical. It's the same on both sides. I have 2 ears. I have 2 eyes. My nose is the same. My mouth is the same. Now there's some like little weird things, like I have this one mole right here, right? So, but for the most part, my face is symmetrical or the same on both sides. If you have a second and you can go to the bathroom, go look at your face in the mirror. See if you're symmetrical. See if your whole body is symmetrical. Go check it out. You can pause the video and then come back. Okay? So we are going to, and also you can pause these videos anytime you need to. So I'll go step by step. And if you need more time to, let's say, cut something out or count or color, you're going to pause the video, press the stop button, and then keep going. Okay? So you have an orange piece of paper. Your paper is like a hot dog. It's long. See how it's long? This is tall. This is like a hamburger. So a hamburger is taller and a hot dog is longer. See what I did there? Okay, you're going to hold it like a hot dog. Hold it in front of your belly and fold it in half. Go ahead. You may need to practice this a couple times. I would like you, I'm going to close the blind. Ready, everyone back. So the first time you folded it might be like this. Nah, it's not. I need the corners, other way, to touch. So just try it again. It's okay. Take your time. I'm going to match up the corners, make them touch. Okay, and then over here. And you probably want to do this down on the table, but I'm showing you, okay? Push it down with our hands and then fold it. And grown-ups, listen. Our friends might need a little practice with this, and that's okay. All right? They can do it, even if they have to practice a bunch of times. Right, kindergarten? You can do it, okay? You have to pause the video until you get it. That's completely okay. But we want it to look like a book or a card that you can make someone so it opens, okay? Kindergarten, I want the fold to be on the left side, the side of the hand that makes an L when you look at it, okay? And I want it to open like a book. Then you're going to put it down. Okay. You're going to need the following supplies for this activity. This is the second time I'm making this video, so I forgot to say it. You're going to need your pencil box. Okay. You're going to take out of your pencil box a pencil, a black marker. It can be a sharp, let's use this one, this black marker, and your scissors. Remember when we practice our scissors, we put our thumb in the hole and the rest of the fingers that fit comfortably for you to be able to go like this, like that, okay? All right, we don't need scissors right now, put those down. Pencil up. We're going to make part of a letter B. Okay, so I'm going to hold it up like this because if I hold it down, you can't see it. Okay, so again, it's like a book. I open it like a book. So have maybe mom or dad kind of double check that that's okay. I'm going to make an uppercase B, but I'm not going to draw this line. I'm going to skip that step. Really big, starting near the top, holding my pencil. Really big, watch. Don't go all the way in. Stop right there. So maybe more like a number 3, really, Mrs. Morrow, I should be saying. Okay, so I kind of made a number 3. Okay, pause the video if you need more time to fix it. You want it to be nice and big. Okay. Next, grab your scissors, put them on your hand correctly, thumb in the hole, these fingers here, chomp, chomp, chomp. Okay, you're going to cut just on that pencil line. What happens if, oh no, I cut off the pencil line? Do I throw my things down and stomp my feet and say, oh, never mind, forget it, it's ruined forever? I might feel like that for a minute, and that's okay. And then I have to kind of pick myself back up and say, I can put some tape on it. It's okay. It's going to be all right. Okay? It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be my best, and I'm just learning how to cut. Okay? So, cutting on that pencil line. Okay, take your time. So when you're finished, it's going to look like this. Now it's time. It's time for our marker. I've cut out my shape. I'm putting the smaller part on the top and the bigger part on the bottom. And it's symmetrical. If yours isn't symmetrical, take some time, watch the video from the beginning and try it again, okay? Now I'm going to take my marker, my black marker. You can use this marker or you can use a Crayola marker if you have one. And I'm going to make one very big, watch me first, one very big, long oval shape in the middle. And then I'm going to color it in. Go ahead. Okay, so pause the video until you're finished coloring in that big black oval shape, all right? And I'm going to do it pridefully. I'm not going to scribble. I'm going to stay inside the lines. I'm going to take my time, okay? Pause the video until you're finished, okay? So that's what it should look like, approximately. Then you're going to make 5 dots. Not 6, not 2, 5. But remember, it's a butterfly. It needs to be symmetrical. So whatever's on this side has to also be on this side. So for me, I think I'm going to make 2 at the top. 1, 2. Then I want to make 3 at the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whatever I do on this side has to be the same or symmetrical to this side. So let's do the same dots. I'm going to go straight across. 1, 2, 3. You can take your time with this one. You don't have to go as fast as me. 4, 5. Okay. 2 antenna. Dots on the top. And you have your butterfly. I can't wait to see them.